Restoration projects face different challenges depending on how ecosystems were degraded. In Hong Kong, the challenge was integrating nature into a densely urbanized coastline. Now, let's travel to the northeast coast of South Africa, where mining stripped away a fragile dune forest ecosystem. Here, restoration had to begin from scratch, rebuilding soils, replanting vegetation, and restoring ecological functions over decades. Let's explore how scientists and communities tackle this challenge and what lessons they learn.